channel, I pride myself in doing some questionable things and buying some questionable parts that I put on all of my shit boxes. That way I could let you guys know if it was worth it or if it was crap. But some of those parts and tools that I've tested, I now have available on my website, lowboostfilms.com, for you guys to be able to buy. I won't put anything on there that I felt was crap. There are some things that I've reviewed and I will not sell them to anybody because I just don't believe in them, because it caused me a whole bunch of headaches and I don't want to do that to you. So one thing that I have been a lifesaver, and I wish I got this thing sooner, this is an adjustable AN wrench. Now, if you've ever put together AN fittings, you know it can be a pain in the dick and you could gall the crap out of them if you're using just an adjustable wrench, or these AN fittings aren't metric or standard sizes. They're like kind of in between, so they're really tough to get to. But with this adjustable wrench, look at this. Whoop, you can adjust it right down into it. And because this is also anodized as well as this, there's a much lower chance of you actually galling the crap out of your fittings. And as you can see, it's designed to perfectly fit in there and pivot perfectly. And it'll work on the other side as well. So this tool is great. I have it available on my website, lowboostfilms.com. You can get access to it there, as well as a bunch of other tools and parts that we've reviewed on the channel to make sure work and work well, and you guys can get them at a great price. I also have a bunch of merch on there too if you're interested in getting that and supporting the channel too. A lot of cool stuff you can get there as well. I really appreciate you watching. In the meantime, if you can't wait until next week's video for another video of mine, check out these videos that I already have ready to go.